Morning everyone. So today I wanted to take you on a tour to my kitchen. So this is my kitchen from far. I have built a new house and it's a new kitchen, and these sheets that I have put here are just not normal ones. These are acrylic ones. So almost it cost us 70k for just the acrylic sheets. So I'm starting with the fridge. So the fridge is a normal basic fridge. Okay, so it's a two-step fridge. So after the fridge, I'm showing you my oven, and this is the Elica brand oven. It's superb. I have baked so many things, food that you have already seen on my channel. So this is a wonderful oven. Convection and convention both are there. And this is my dishwasher, which I have made a video on it also, and it's on right now. So this is the cabinet where I store all my baking items. Okay. And this is the color of the slab granite that I chose because for me I have always liked English colors, English patterns. So normally I have always dreamt of a kitchen of this grayish sheet, and this actually I wanted this as white or black, but I got a gray. That's fine. So I always like to go for these simple colors like white, gray and black and all that. So as you can see, my slab is gray, and I have this stove top. So it's a 4-burner stove, and it is also Elica. So this is the bigger one, as you can see. These two are the medium ones, and this is the smaller ones. So the knobs are so nice, as you can see. Yeah, that's so good. And I've got this again Elica hob. Okay, it works awesome. It's actually automatic. It's an automatic chimney. Yes, see, as you can see here. Okay, so this is the cabinet. One sec. This is the cabinet where I store my daily usages like, peanuts, chili powder, salt, all these things. So these are the basic cabinet. Sugar that I store. This is the camera mount stand, as you can see here. Yeah, so the kitchen goes all the way there. There you can see my mixie. These are the white tiles that I have used, which is so elegant, nice. This is the 3 small windows which I have kept for my kitchen so that I have enough sunlight as well as air, fresh air circulating. So this goes, and here you can see the filter, everything, filter stand, and this is where I store my garbage. I don't know whether if I should show you, but just showing how the utility works. So that's for the wet waste. And this is for the dry waste. Just showing people, I'm sorry if you felt not to see. So this is the sink that I've used. It's Carousel brand. Yeah, it's a big sink, and as you can see, it's a flexible tap over here. I have all my hand wash, the vessel wash, the stove top wash, everything with the brushes. And yes, and then here, as you can see, this is my pantry. Here I store all my stuff, food stuffs here. This is one of the door, and this is another door. So it's a huge pantry, as you can see. See, I can show you the entire one. Yeah. So we'll close that. And this is the basic pantry for whatever the small stuffs that I use. So you can see it has all the drawers which help me keep organized. I have from small bottles to big bottles, medium sized bottles, so I can store everything over here. It's a nice setup, as you can tell. Yeah. So that's one of my pantry, and that's it. That is my kitchen. So these are normal, these are storage. So as you know, this is a kind of a storage, and I've made this kind of, you know, S-shaped storage over here. See, it goes like that, in and out. So I have two of that there, as you can see. And one more thing which I have made here is this turning thing. See? So it's that, whatever you call that, magic shelf or something, I don't know. I have two racks of that. So it's basically a modern kitchen. So this, as you can see, all my stuff is here. So this is basically my entire kitchen. I can show you the far view, and it's an open kitchen. There's no door, nothing to it. So there you can see my entire kitchen there. So right side, as you can see, the cabinets, the middle, the window, the left with the dishwasher and the oven and the thing. So hope you like the color, and hope you like my kitchen, and you got some ideas if you want to organize or remodel your kitchen. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time with another video. Until then, take care guys. Bye. Love you.